Picture this. It is a Sunday afternoon in late October in a Punjabi village kitchen. The mustard fields outside are turning gold, and someone has just set a hammered brass kadai on the wooden table in front of you, steaming, brimming with chunks of golden fork-tender potato and creamy cauliflower florets, all bathed in a glistening brick-red caramelized tomato onion masala, flecked with turmeric, dark cumin seeds, fresh cilantro, and crushed kasuri methi. The kitchen smells of ghee, ginger, garlic, and slow-cooked onion. Someone tears a piece of hot Punjabi roti, scoops up a piece of cauliflower coated in deep red masala, and the first bite is earthy, tangy, faintly sweet, layered with 7 spices, soft, savory, complete. This is Aloo Gobi, Aloo Gobi. Tonight we walk through the actual Punjabi homestyle recipe, gram by gram, minute by minute. I am joined by Amritsar Punjabi chef Vikram Singh, 28 years cooking dhaba food on the Grand Trunk Road, and Delhi-born food historian Priya Sharma.
Wow, Aloo Gobi, Aloo Gobi. This is the heart of Punjab home cooking, my friend. In my village near Amritsar, every Sunday afternoon my mother is making Aloo Gobi in big kadhai. Aloo means potato, Gobi means cauliflower. Simple only. But this dish has soul, soul of Punjab. It comes from Punjabi winter, November, December, January, when cauliflower is in season, very fresh, very sweet, very tender. The dish must be dry style, sukhi, not wet, not curry with gravy. It is bhuna, slow fried masala coating each piece. You eat with hot fresh roti from tawa, simple dal, raw onion with vinegar and 1 green chili on side. This is everyday Punjabi food, Truck driver food on Grand Trunk Road from Amritsar to Delhi, 500 km. Every dhaba making aloo gobi.
And Chef Vikram is right. Aloo Gobi has many regional variations across India. The Punjabi version that he will teach is the dry, slow-cooked bhuna masala style, what most Indian families consider the canonical home version. But in Bengali kitchens, Aloo Gobi is often made with a 5-spice blend called panchphoran, cumin, fennel, nigella, fenugreek, mustard. In South India, you might find it as a stir-fry with curry leaves and mustard seeds. In Awadhi cooking from Lucknow, there is a richer version with cream and cashew paste. The dish itself is relatively modern. Cauliflower came to India through the Portuguese in the 16th century and only became common in the late 19th century. Aloo Gobi, as we know it today, was crystallized in Punjab in the early 20th century, during the era of the dhabas along the Grand Trunk Road. Tonight, the recipe we share is the Punjabi homestyle version, the foundation.
Okay, listen carefully. I tell you ingredient for 4 person. You must measure exact. 500 gram cauliflower, 1 medium head, break into florets 2-inch size, no smaller. 400 gram potato, 3 medium, peel and cut into 1-inch cube. 2 medium yellow onion, 300 gram, finely chopped, finely, not big chunk. 3 ripe red tomato, 350 gram, finely chopped, or 1 cup tomato puree if you must. 4 clove garlic plus 1-inch piece ginger, make paste together in mortar, 1½ tablespoon. 2 green chili, slit lengthwise. 4 tablespoon ghee, desi ghee is best, or mustard oil if you have, 60 milliliter. 1 teaspoon whole cumin seed, jeera. 1 bay leaf. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, haldi. 1½ teaspoon coriander powder, dhania.
And the finishing spices, the ones added at the end, are where Aloo Gobi gets its signature flavor. 3 things, all added in the last 2 minutes of cooking. First, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, the warm spice blend of cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, black pepper, and cumin, toasted and ground. This adds aroma at the very end. Do not add early or the volatiles burn off. Second, 1 teaspoon of amchur, dried green mango powder, which gives the dish its characteristic tangy brightness. If you cannot find amchur at an Indian grocer, substitute 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice or 1 teaspoon of tamarind paste. And third, 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi, sun-dried fenugreek leaves, which you crush between your palms over the kadhai. The crushing releases the volatile oils, and the smell that rises is the unmistakable scent of a Punjabi home. 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh cilantro at the very end for color and freshness.
Now I tell you method. Take heavy bottom kadai or wide pan, medium high heat, 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit. Add 4 tablespoon ghee or mustard oil. When oil is shimmering hot but not smoking, add 1 teaspoon cumin seed. Wait 30 seconds. You hear crackle, smell becomes nutty. This is called tadka. Then add chopped onion. Saute 8 to 10 minutes, stirring every 1 minute until onion is deep golden brown, almost mahogany color. This is most important step. If onion is pale, dish will be flat. If onion is burnt, dish will be bitter, deep golden, you understand. Then add ginger garlic paste. Saute 1 minute until raw smell gone. Add green chili, 30 seconds. Add chopped tomato, turmeric powder, coriander powder, Kashmiri chili powder, salt. Cook 10 to 12 minutes, stirring until oil separates.
Now the vegetables. Add the cubed potatoes first 5 minutes ahead of the cauliflower because they take longer to cook. Sauté the potatoes in the masala for 4 to 5 minutes, gently coating every piece in the deep red bhuna. Then add the cauliflower florets and salt and toss gently. Do not stir aggressively or the cauliflower will break into mush. Add only 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, just enough to prevent the masala from burning, not enough to make a curry. Cover with a tight-fitting lid and reduce the heat to medium-low, about 120 Celsius internal, 250 Fahrenheit. Cook for 20 to 25 minutes, lifting the lid every 5 to 7 minutes to gently fold from the bottom. Fold, do not stir. The potatoes are done when a knife slides through with no resistance. The cauliflower should be fork tender but still hold its shape, not collapsed into puree.
Last step very important. When potato and gobi both tender, uncover the kadhai. Now add finishing spice, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon amchur or 2 tablespoon fresh lemon juice. Then take 1 tablespoon kasuri methi, crush between your palm over the kadai. Crush, crush, crush. The smell will rise. This is signature of Punjabi kitchen. Fold gently, 2 minutes on low flame, just to incorporate. Turn off heat. Garnish with 2 tablespoons fresh chopped cilantro, hara dhania. Cover for 2 minutes, rest. Serve hot with hot fresh Punjabi roti or paratha, never with rice for true Punjabi style. Side dish, yellow dal tadka, cucumber yogurt raita with mint, raw onion slice with white vinegar, 1 green chili, mango pickle. Drink, sweet lassi or salted lassi. This is complete Sunday meal of Punjab village. Wah wah.
3 takeaways. First, the base ratio for 4 people is 500 grams of cauliflower, 400 grams of potato, 300 grams of finely chopped onion, 350 grams of tomato, and 4 tablespoons of ghee or mustard oil. And the most important step is sautéing those onions for a full 8 to 10 minutes until they reach deep golden mahogany, never pale, never burnt. Second, the spice architecture has 2 layers. The cooking spices added with the tomatoes, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1½ teaspoons coriander powder, ½ teaspoon Kashmiri chili, salt, and the finishing spices added in the last 2 minutes, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon amchur or lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi crushed between your palms over the pan. Third, the dish is Punjabi dry style, suki. Cover and cook on medium-low at 120 Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. Fold gently, never stir, until potatoes are fork tender and cauliflower holds its shape. Serve with hot roti, raita, and pickle, never with rice. Thank you, Chef Vikram Singh. Thank you, Priya Sharma. Until next time.